This video demonstrates the procedure to replace the Mortise cylinder for our CX-DA800 and CX-DA810 battery-powered door alarms. Remove the key lock cover and insert the key, rotating it counterclockwise to release the mounting backplate. Remove the cylinder nut and insert the cylinder. When using 7-pin cylinders, be sure to install the cylinder collar before mounting the cylinder into the door alarm housing. Reattach the cylinder nut. Use the supplied cylinder ring tool to tighten the cylinder nut by turning it clockwise. A screwdriver can be inserted into the cylinder ring tool to increase the torque when tightening the cylinder nut. Install the cylinder fixing frame by turning it clockwise. Align the notch on the cylinder fixing frame with the notch on the door alarm housing and install the fixing frame bracket. The fixing frame bracket secures the cylinder fixing frame in position, preventing it from rotating. Select one of the cam holders based on the cylinder's manufacturer. Select one of the 4 included cam holders. They're marked A, B, C, or D to identify the Mortise cylinder manufacturer. Attach the cam holder to the cam assembly cover by inserting the raised tab on the cam holder and secure it with the set screw. Install the cam assembly cover by aligning the 2 eyelet holes with the fins on the fixing frame bracket. Insert the key and rotate it to ensure the cam assembly lever moves freely. Reattach the cam assembly cover with the set screws. Reattach the mounting backplate by inserting it onto door alarm housing starting at the bottom. Secure the door alarm housing by inserting the key into the key lock and rotating it clockwise.